அதை அப்படியே அங்கே கொண்டு போயிடுறேன். Today we will see what is the effect of coronavirus infection in antenatal cases in pregnancy, whether we can give breastfeeding breast milk to the newborn infant if the mother is infected with coronavirus infection. Will the virus be transmitted from mother to baby through placental barrier? We will see the PowerPoint slides regarding coronavirus infection, COVID-19 infection in pregnancy. The coronavirus has not been found in the amniotic fluid in which the baby is floating inside the pregnant mother, and the coronavirus is also not found in the breast milk. After delivery, the breast will secrete the milk. In the milk also the virus is not present, but some babies born to the mothers with the coronavirus have tested positive for the virus. The coronavirus infection is detected among the infection throughout the world. The case reports says that the virus is found in the infants. Doctors recommend testing healthy babies born to mothers with the coronavirus. So to safeguard the children, safeguard the baby, we have to test the baby if the mother was suffering from coronavirus infection. If test for coronavirus is available, you must do the test. This will help with the plans to care for the baby in the hospital, and also when the baby moves from the hospital to the home. What are the symptoms of coronavirus infection? So we may notice the following symptoms in the mothers: cough, fever, trouble in breathing difficulties. Other symptoms are sore throat, pain in the throat, and chillness with fever, repeated shaking with the chills, muscle pain and headache, and loss of taste, and unable to smell the odor. These are the symptoms of coronavirus infection. If these symptoms are present in the mother, we must do coronavirus test for the babies. But coronavirus has not been found in the breast milk. But if the mother has COVID-19, the virus may be transmitted from mother to the infants through the droplets that is spread when you talk. When the mother is talking, holding the baby, when mother is talking, through the breath, through coughing, through sneezing. So the droplet infection in the water particles coming out of water, the virus may be embedded and it will be transmitted to the baby. But if the mother is sick, with coronavirus infection, he can very well give the breast milk to the infants. Or if the mother is suffering from severe corona infection, the breast milk is expressed and stored in the refrigerator and given in the bottles or the spoon. If there is another alternative is there to help to prevent the spreading of virus from the mother to the baby. The mother should take every care like a corona patient, washing of the hands of the mother before or after touching the baby or holding the baby. Wear a cloth, face covering, face mask if the mother is suffering from coronavirus infection while talking or feeding the baby with the breast milk. Wash your hands. The mother should wash frequently her hands before touching the breast, holding the baby or the breast pump for expression of the breast milk. Bottle parts. Clean all the parts the mother is touching and again touching the baby or holding the baby. Let someone else who is not sick from coronavirus infection give the baby the expressed breast milk in a bottle can be given by another person who is not infected with the coronavirus. So the breastfed babies have fewer infections than hospitalization than the formula fed infants. Like any milk powder dissolved in hot water and given to the infants. Comparing it, the breastfed babies are less chance of acquiring coronavirus infection. During breastfeeding, the antibodies and other germ-fighting factors, antibodies and proteins and vitamins from the mother will go to the baby and it will boost the immune system of the baby. So breastfeeding is very much helpful to the baby to fight against any other infection beside corona infection. This helps lower the baby chances of getting many infections. So the baby will not get other infection like ear infection, diarrhea, respiratory infection, meningitis. Breastfeeding also protect against the allergies, asthma, diabetics, obesity and sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. We call it as SIDS. Without any reason, the baby will die, which is known as SIDS syndrome, sudden infant death syndrome. Breastfeeding is particularly beneficiary to the premature babies.
Is it safe to breastfeed if I have coronavirus, COVID-19? I have coronavirus, COVID-19. Is it safe to keep breastfeeding my baby? Natasha. Coronavirus has not been found in breast milk. But if you have COVID-19, you can spread the virus to your infant through tiny droplets that spread when you talk, cough, or sneeze. Talk to your doctor to help decide whether you should continue to breastfeed. Your breast milk is the best nutrition for your baby and can protect against many illnesses. While you are sick, you can give your baby expressed breast milk. If you choose to breastfeed or give expressed milk in a bottle to help prevent spreading the virus to your baby, wash your hands before and after touching your baby. Wear a cloth face covering or face mask if you have one while nursing. Wash your hands before touching your breast pump or bottle parts. Clean all parts after each use. Let someone else in your household who is not sick give your baby your expressed breast milk. Try to limit close face-to-face contact with your baby and cough or sneeze into a tissue and then throw it away. If you have a fever, cough, or trouble breathing, call your healthcare provider. Other coronavirus symptoms may include a sore throat, chills, repeated shaking with chills, muscle pain, headache, a loss of taste or smell. Also call right away if your baby has a fever or trouble breathing or seems sick. Where can I get updated information on coronavirus, COVID-19? Check the CDC and WHO websites for up-to-date, reliable information about coronavirus. Reviewed by Mary L. Gavin, medical doctor. Date reviewed, May 2020. Thank you for listening to this Kids Health audio cast. The information you heard is for educational purposes only. If you need medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment, consult your doctor. This audio cast is copyrighted by Kids Health and the Nemours Foundation. All rights are reserved. Visit www.kidshealth.org for more.
Position of the infants, which has been already covered by the lecturer in health education, how to hold the baby during breastfeeding. The cradle hold. This is known as the different positions of breastfeeding, how to hold the baby. So which has been already covered by lecturer in health education, how to do breastfeeding to the infants. This position is known as cradle hold. This position is known as cross cradle. This position is known as side lying position. In a lying position, you can feed the infant. This is a football hold. How the goalkeeper will hold the ball to prevent the goal. This position is known as football hold. Latching on hold. Latching on. Thank you.